Good morning, dear children. All of you open your worksheets and as well as your textbooks. Okay, we are doing revision at present and we have completed the revision in hard words, meanings, fill in the blanks, rhyming words, question and answers. And in today's class, we are going to do revision in grammar. Okay, all of you open chapter 1. Nisha walks again. Open your textbooks also. Okay, we do grammar revision today. See, using grammar. Definite article. You have already learnt about the indefinite articles a and an. You have already learned some of the uses of the definite article the. So, you have already learned about the indefinite articles a and an. You have already learned some of the uses of the definite article the. Okay, the is the definite article. See. Now look at some more uses of the. The is used when there is only one, something or someone of a kind. So, if there is something or someone, we use the article, definite article the. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. It was the summer of 2005 when I met the Pope at last. The is also used when there is only one of a kind. The is not only used for something or someone, it is also used when there is only one of a kind in that place or in those surroundings. For example, the temple in our locality is always crowded. Should I go to the bank today? Look at the woman buying eggs. She is my aunt. In this way. Okay, now say the exercise. Complete this paragraph with suitable articles. So with suitable articles we have to complete this paragraph. I would like to tell you a story. This story is about a little girl who wanted to climb the mountain. She asked the people who lived close to the mountain to help her climb it. The people told her that the mountain was too high to climb. The girl said that she was not worried about the trouble she would have to go through to reach the top of the mountain. She wanted to show the world how brave she was. Okay, here mostly we have used the article the definite article the. Okay, now see this. Comparison of adjectives. An adjective can be written in three different forms to show degrees of comparison. So, an adjective can be shown. An adjective can be written in three different forms to show degrees of comparison. To compare, in order to compare, the article can be written in three different forms. Read these sentences to see how the adjective tall is written in three different ways to show degree of comparison. So, in order to comparison tall, adjective tall, this is written in three different ways to show degrees of comparison. First one is Abdul is a tall boy. This is the positive degree. So, the three different ways of degrees of comparison are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. See the first one. Abdul is a tall boy. This is he is Abdul. Abdul is a tall boy. This is the positive degree. Abdul's teacher is taller than Abdul. So, Abdul's teacher is taller than Abdul. So, we are comparing here, comparing with teacher. This is comparative degree. Next, the headmaster is the tallest of the three. This is the superlative degree. Here we are comparing. We are telling among the three. So this is superlative degree. Okay. Some adjectives form their comparative and superlative degrees by using more and most. So adjectives form their comparative and superlative degrees by using more and most. See here, the jasmine is a beautiful flower. The lily is more beautiful than the jasmine. The rose is the most beautiful of all the flowers in the garden. Okay. So here beautiful is a positive degree, more beautiful is a comparative degree, and most beautiful is a superlative degree here. And see here, some adjectives do not follow these rules. They are called irregular adjectives. See, bad, worse, worst, much, more, most, good, better, best, and these all are different. So these adjectives which do not follow these rules are called irregular adjectives. Now see the table. Big, bigger, biggest, small, smart, smarter, smartest, strong, stronger, strongest, exciting, more exciting, most exciting. Okay, in this way you have to write positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Now see here, complete these sentences with the right form of the adjectives in brackets. So, the story grandfather told the children was dash funny than the one he told them last week. The story grandfather told to the children was funnier than the one he told them last week. Sumit is dash short than Naina. Sumit is shorter than Naina. My mother is the dash hardworking woman I know. My mother is the most hardworking woman I know. Is this wheelchair dash expensive than that one? Is this wheelchair more expensive than that one? Leh is the dash peaceful place in the world. Leh is the most peaceful place in the world. It is not dash easy to find seashells in Leh. It is not easier to find seashells in Leh. Okay. Now see. So children, you go through this grammar part. Okay. Comparative. See, you go through definite article. Okay. Comparison of adjectives. We continue the remaining revision part of grammar in the next class, and prepare well for your exams, children. Bye.